Electric heating is a popular choice in homes today. One of the reasons for this is that electric radiant floor heating is one of the most comfortable and efficient ways to heat your home. Radiant heating systems work by using panels or films placed on the floor that emit infrared heat. This type of heating is very effective at warming people and objects directly, which means you can lower your thermostat setting and still be comfortable. Another benefit of electric radiant floor heating is that it is very energy efficient. Radiant heating systems use far less energy than traditional forced air systems, making them a more affordable option in the long run. Additionally, electric radiant floor heating doesn't produce any emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly choice. If you are considering installing an electric radiant floor heating system in your home, be sure to consult with a professional installer. This radiant heater electric is perfect for keeping your feet and body warm. The 50CMx2M Honeycomb design provides even heat distribution, while the film construction ensures durability. This infrared heated floor is safe to use, easy to install, and efficient. Radiant heaters electric are a great way to heat a room without any of the drawbacks of other heating methods. There is no noise, smoke, smell, or electronic radiation. They are also very safe, with no risk of gas poisoning or frostbite. The heat is uniform and stable, making it a great choice for people with allergies or asthma. The insulation is good. A good heating function of the insulating partitions saves on heating costs. The use of water, LPG, gas, etc., as a radiant heater electric can heat the room evenly and quickly. In addition, the use of insulation not only can save energy but also can reduce noise. Another reason people are choosing radiant heaters electric is because they are quick and easy to install. In many cases, they can be installed in a single day, which allows you to start heating your home without needing to use air conditioning all summer long. Additionally, radiant heaters electric tend to be more affordable than other types of heating systems, making them an economical choice for many homeowners. The honeycomb structure is designed to prevent the escape of heat from the cells. The cells are hexagonal in shape, and the walls are thin. The cells are small, and there are many of them. The spaces between the cells are filled with wax, which is a good insulator. The beeswax has a low thermal conductivity, which means that it does not allow heat to pass through it easily.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy. You will never have to pay for electricity. Method: amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.